Good afternoon, one and all. Commissioner, thank you for being here present today. Mr. Zip, Mr. Vidal, Mr. Gamboa, Ms. Cook, and members of the police force, thank you for giving us that security at that time that we dire need in these times. Mayor, Mr. Rosales, likewise, thank you for the efforts for the benefit of our constituents. Members of the public, thank you for being here present. Please forgive me. Councillors, likewise, thank you for all the efforts. Likewise, all the input is in our hands to make sure that we reinstitute the security of the constituency. In your case, the town, as it is your responsibility to secure the safety and assuring our residents as well of this town. But I do believe that we go way beyond the town. This is a constituency issue, a constituency problem. Whereas we all know that it's something that we inherited since we are a new party in government. Our constituency being a border town is very porous. We lack, as we know, in the manpower. Am I right, Paul? And we try to do our best to give you that security to each one of you and the households. Rest assured, as your area representative, I will work hand in hand with our police department, Ministry of the Police, with Minister Karim Musa, and also with the Tong Council, as it is our need, this constituency being a border town. We cannot afford this situation to continue in this constituency. We need to make sure that we show that we mean and we are the difference in this constituency and this community. We cannot afford no one to undermine us, but as I had mentioned, we lack the manpower, even with the equipments, the vehicles. But we are working arduously with the ministry and as well with the police department. Bear in mind, we only have 6 months, going into 7 months into our new government, but we are doing a lot. As you all have heard, and I know that the commissioner will explain that down the road, that there are some persons already being held accountable. Those are the efforts, and we will continue to secure, we will continue to make sure that you all get the comfort in your homes, in our community. We cannot continue to live in fear. I recall Mr. Mitchell had, I believe, 2 vehicles that were stolen in his own home as well, being the victim for the same situation as many others with the stealing of vehicles. And it's a risk we cannot afford. It's living in fear. Even with our children, I mean, imagine we have that scenario in our homes and we have our young children there. We don't have that peace of mind. And Benque is not that town. Benque is a peaceful town. And it will continue to be that peaceful town. Rest assured, I will put all the efforts to make sure that we we institute that peace of mind to our residents. Thank you very much.